Hey y'all, it's Kennedi Shianne and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing some clip-ins that I received from Mhot Hair, and I got my clip-ins in the color Off Black Balayage in 18 inches. Y'all, so I don't wear color too often, but I was so excited to try this color. Like, it looks so good against my skin. I feel like it just makes like brown skin look brighter. Like, I feel like it makes me look younger. My skin looks more like it's glowing. Like, I just love color against my skin. So first I'm just going to part my hair going straight across the back of my head, and then I'm going to apply the clip-ins. It's really simple. I'm going to repeat these steps or the same process of parting my hair and applying my clip-ins throughout my whole head. Just make sure that you're checking throughout when you're laying down the clip-ins that your hair is going to cover it and that it's comfortable and that it's not snugging anywhere.
Y'all say in they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo with the yo. I'm Billy rich like John Jack, I'm Camo with the yo. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was your pound cake, boy. You know I look good at food. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to come around and give you good karma, but no, we escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator.
And a great dad. That's a tough one. Looking this good and I wouldn't change it if I could. And you can say what I'm the shit, I'm the shit, I'm the shit. I want everyone to feel like this tonight. Looks so good
Yes, y'all, it looks so pretty and it blends so well. I like that the hair, it kind of starts off kind of like ombre highlights, so it blends really well with my natural, 1B hair. So next I'm styling the hair, and I'm just gonna do some big and loose wand curls just so it can have that kind of beach wave effect. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. It looks so pretty, and I love the soft curls that I added. I feel like it just looks so pretty. I love this color on me. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.